Welcome, RAH. Oh, Red Discus. They named him RAH. Got the all black mollies, the little guys. Some black and yellow mollies. Dalmatian molly. Got some little teeny joints to go with the community tank. Gotta have RAH. He's a peaceful guy, so he can't have a whole lot of motherfuckers that wanna chase him and do all this dumb shit. So, beginning of the discus phase. RAH, what's up? Why? That's your name now. I know you're about a year and a half old, but that's your name now, boy. RAH. Here. How beautiful RAH is. There you go. Claim your fame, baby. Stake your claim, baby. Stake your claim, baby. Woo. Looking good. Dealing with RAH right there. Everybody go check on Anubis. Check on him, see how he doing. You know how that works. Big boy always chilling. Anubis. Anubis and Panthro. You remember Panthro from Thundercats? That's Panthro right there. With that leopard print. About to chillin', baby. About to chillin', baby. Yeah. Big boy. And that nigga two times bigger than my hand. I know you can't see it exactly, but that nigga about 14 inches long, easy. Easy 14 inches long. He about 10, easy 10 to 12. Bigger than my hand. I'm gonna put it in front of him, he bigger than my hand. I ain't no small, no. Chill. Back at it, same old shit. You don't be part of the family, that's cool. That's how you go get your own. You go make your own, take care. We the guardians and custodians of the earth, baby. Take it back. RAH. There you go, baby. Enjoy this shit here, baby. I'm gonna take care of you, boy. I'm gonna take care of you, my boy. Take care of you, my boy. What's up?